हेलो एवरीवन, ये है आपकी आज की इंटरनेट की खुराक।
Ó, vamos lá no barranco de terra. Vamos lá no barranco de terra. Vem aqui com o pai então, ó. Vem aqui. Vem no precipício. Precipício aqui, ó. Precipício. Ah, não. Ó, ó lá. Não. Cuidado aí. Nicolas. Cuidado aí. Nossa, moleque. Você vai...
You all seem to love the first 7-foot POV video. We're going to a grocery store. Let's go. The first step to going to a grocery store. Duck so you don't get knocked out, but not once, twice. You say what's up to yourself in the security cam. Then you walk by people as they stare at you in awe. What's up, how you doing? So you're walking down the aisle and you forgot something? It's okay, you can look into the other aisles and find something. Is that Snoop Dogg? Wait, what? Oh, you gotta watch out for the signs, otherwise you'll hit your head. Is there dust up there? Oh my gosh, look how dusty that is. Is there dust up here? Yep. Hey. And there you go, guys.
ये थी आज की वीडियोस। अगर आपको पसंद आई है तो वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर और चैनल सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। तो मिलते हैं जल्द ही। अल्लाह हाफिज़।